sum of the first three terms of a GP is 16 and the sum of the next three terms of a GP is 128. What we have to find? We have to find first term, common ratio and the nth term. Simple question. Okay. So now let first term is equal to A and common ratio is equal to R of a GP. Now, according to first condition, now what they have given? First three terms of a GP is 16. So, A plus AR plus AR square is equal to 16. So, taking A common, 1 plus R square is equal to 16. Equation 1. Okay. Now, according to second condition, now what is the second condition? Sum of the next three terms means first three and next three. Okay. So, we are having AR cube plus AR raised to power 4 plus AR raised to power 5. It is what? 128. 128. And this is equal to now taking AR cube common, 1 plus R square is equal to 128. Second, now dividing 2 by 1, AR cube 1 plus R square upon A 1 plus R square is equal to 128 by 16. Okay. So, here what we are getting? Cancelling, we are getting R cube is equal to 8 or R is equal to 2. So, we got first thing, that is R is equal to 2. Common ratio we got it. Okay. Now, substituting R is equal to 2 in equation 1, we get A 1 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 16 or A is equal to 16 by 7. Second answer. Okay. So, this is one of the answer, this is one of the answer. Now, third thing which we have to find, that is Sn. Now, Sn is equal to A R raised to power n minus 1 upon R minus 1, because R is what? R is 2, greater than 1. Okay. So, Sn is equal to 16 by 7, 2 raised to power n minus 1 upon 2 minus 1. So, this is 16 by 7, 2n minus 1. Just write like this. Sn is equal to. Okay. So, third answer.